Hello, in this video I will show you how to add the sold count widget onto your collection page. So as you can see, this is my collection page and I would like to show the sold count widget on all of the products that I have in my collection. So for this I will go to the customize theme option, and from the drop down I will select collections and the default collection. Note that I have only one default collection, but if you have more than one collections as templates, then you would need to repeat this exercise for all of them. So right now I'm in the collection page. To add the widget, I just need to click on Add section and go to the Apps tab and select the Sold Counter Collection app. Once you select this, you should be able to see the widget in action, and you can just save it here. And when I go back to my collections and refresh the page, I am able to see the widget on my collection page. If you need any help with this, please feel free to reach out to our support. Thank you.